I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to work on this. It is a Stanley Square. Looks to be in, functional shape, but it's kind of ugly and it's been scraped on. This part's been scraped on a little bit and there's a lot of rust. So I just like to clean it up a little bit and see how nice we can make it. So without further ado, let's get after it. Well, that ought to do it. I think this turned out pretty good, I tend to shy away from the buffing wheel because I just have never had much luck with it. I don't know what I'm doing, or I don't see a difference in the before and after. But when I was using it this time, I could really tell a difference. It put a little shine on it that I haven't experienced before. So I may be using that more in the future. But anyway, hey, thanks very much for watching. I appreciate it. See you next time.